My name is Monica Nagpal and I am a parenting coach, a certified parenting coach. We are living through extraordinary times when unexpected things happen. It is difficult and boring actually. It is not easy for us to feel powerless. But the good news is that we are not powerless. We may not be able to cure the disease which we are facing at the global level or halt the climate changes. But we are having an incredible power at our disposal, a very powerful tool with which we can change the world actually. And that tool is parenting. And parenting can be a truly radical act. The way in which we raise our children can have a profound impact on our families, our communities, and our world. And when things are tough, focusing inside us and how we parent can take a relatively backseat because we are just bothered about how to keep everybody safe, to feed them and keep everybody happy. And all the more we have to deal with our own fears. But as the time of crisis, the challenges test our resilience to its limits. In times like these, more than ever, we will need focus to go inwards, to build on relationships with our children. We need to remember one more thing that is very, very important, that at these times, facts and topics, what we have to teach them, that is not important. Important is to teach them kindness and self-belief, right? And we need to dig deep inside ourselves for our reserves of strength and patience. And we did not realize that we had all these. So we have to really go inside and we have to realize that we have all that resilience, we have all the strength and patience. We need to take a deep breath and learn how to be with each other. No, these are very extraordinary times, so we need extraordinary parenting. And the most valuable thing we can do as parents at this time is to focus on building strong, positive relationships with our children, where they feel heard, they feel safe, and they feel loved. This is especially important when spending more and more time together under the same roof. More time together means more opportunities to have conflicts, frustrations for both the kids and for the parents. But again, there's a good news, because every time we are having these kind of opportunities, these opportunities also become to connect and deepen our relationships with our children. So a positive parent-child relationship is very, very important for children's health, for their happiness, and to build resilience. And human emotional development is actually based on how we were treated early in our lives.